And here is a solar fountain, and this is what you get in the box. Here's the solar panel itself. So we'll actually peel this off, and I'll show you how to set this up with the directions as well. And then all these parts right here, some of these are different ways that the water comes out. Peel that off, and you got your solar panel itself. Here's the box that it comes in. And let's get it set up, and I'll show you what it looks like. 4 different ways you can set this up. These are the spouts. So different ways water comes out. You can even just set that up. You can plug that right in like that. And then you have this attachment here to make it a little bit taller. And then you're gonna put one of these on top of here. Just charges in the sunlight. It's got a suction cup on back. It's got the motor and the battery pack or the transformer that it keeps the power in. Let me show you what it looks like. And once you get the spout on there that you want, this is what it looks like. Just floats around, and we got it in a bird bath right here. So works really well. Actually, I just moved it, so the pump, it needs to start pumping again. But if you take it out of the water, you can hear that it's pumping. Put it back in, and it starts sucking up that water and pumping. So very cool little pump, and as it gets more pressure, it'll start going a little bit higher. But very cool little bird bath fountain, or whatever you want to put it in. So highly recommend this. You should definitely check it out.